When we open the box, we get an envelope. When we open the envelope, we get a letter from Mivi. And then the user manual. Then in the box we get a important paper, that is a warranty card. Then finally the product itself. This speaker looks so classy and very light to use. So this speaker comes with a warranty card, and also the best part of this product is it's portable and easy to carry. It has long life battery, 2000 mAh long battery. You can use this speaker for 24 hours at a mid volume. It's waterproof and dust proof. It has super solid bass with powerful drivers, and the best part of this product is it is made in India. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you Mivi for sending this amazing product. If you guys are new around here, make sure to click that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.